Hi friends, today I will show you my food review for the deluxe egg sandwich from the in-flight food of Cebu Pacific. So this is how it looks. As we can see, there's some lettuce, egg with mayonnaise, and as you might notice also, the bread is slightly dry already. So please stay with me as I do my food review for this egg sandwich. So I'm trying it out now. First bite. The veggies are still crunchy. It is creamy. I could taste the taste of the egg, but as I mentioned earlier, the bread is already dry. Well, this is a locally made sandwich, so I could not compare it to the egg sandwich in Japan, but taste-wise, it's also okay. And during the flight, I was able to win this pouch by answering in their fun questions, fun games. Sana po ay nagustuhan niyo ang ating video for today. Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video, please like, share, and subscribe. At huwag niyo pong kalilimutang i-hit yung notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga current videos ko. Hanggang sa susunod na video ko po, ito po si Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye!